I'm hopeful for that as well.
I would love to see them run it single car for the sake of cool photos.
Yeah. Who knows? They might actually start running them.
All the time. I would like Flash Week to take shit to all Nimbus for that. I would be like, that's where they turn around the test train.
Because I want to hear, I want to hear these horns. I never got to hear these horns.
I have.
I want to. They stripped this one. 2011. Oh.
Showing off the other gate. Oh. 2 gates. There's both tracks. There's another track out there that allows it to come out onto that piece. So, assuming he's gone out there to check the gates.
There he is.
The Virgin piece. It's definitely getting chilly out here, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You should consider getting a thicker coat or bringing an extra coat.
I'm used to it, but.
So am I. This is a different kind of cold built in the mountain cold, I feel like. Well, I only grew up in the mountains part of the time. So. But most of the time I grew up down here. I think that's Jay, the yard master. Can't tell.
Yeah.
Look, he's playing with the switch. You see that? Look at how he's aligning the switch. It means they're going to move something. Because the switch only moves when a train needs to move on to the track. They're going to align it to another track so something else can move, which means, look back behind you, on the track inside the yard, they're realigning it so something can be pulled out somewhere. Which means it could be that they're going to move 1003 and attach it to these 2 Texas buds right here, or they're going to move this thing and cast it. That would be good. That'd be fun, wouldn't it?
Which means we're leaving that, which is not really ideal, but
we don't know if they're going to do it though. There's been a lot of times where they've lined it up and it just didn't work out for whatever reason.
That's
Peter and Andy absolutely would. Dad would. I will take it easy. This is my debit card for when I get Starbucks or something. Always have one card ready for that. I have more choice. Actually, I actually tapped.
Huh.
So on Friday, I got another card. Not this Friday, but a couple Fridays ago. This week, I got this card and I tapped both cards. The first one was bad on purpose.
Oh, he is gonna move it.
Probably then.
He's in the front, I think.
He's gonna move it. So I flip the switch then. See what I mean? Two tracks.
I see.
So he came out and flipped that switch. That's what he's gonna do.
Interesting. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
There's something I definitely want to record.
I'm still honking. Uh-oh. There's trespassers on the bridge. That's why.
That
On
makes
this side.
sense.
Oh.
Rock train!
Rock Twain, 2303.
I had the switcher. That's insane.
Yep.
Both of them show up.
Well, the switch already ran today.
Yeah, so he must have been sitting here with them.
No.
Oh, I didn't get to see the other half of the... Oh, whatever.
That's 3004 and 3051. This is the harbor consist along with those logs and oil cars. Packed that spoiler yard, didn't it?
I think the rock train took off.
It did. Unfortunately.
Yeah, man.
So watch as I really looking at this detector is hilarious. The yard detector's coming up at 33.1, so it's right here. So you're right, you can see it's right here, the yard defect detector 33.1. So watch this. So I'm gonna switch. It's right at the end of the yard leads. Almost there, right now. Watch. I'm gonna go off here in a second.
Oh, no, it's still here.
Yeah, he is.
Holy crap.
Red over red.